Now let's work on the small leaves. Start with 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After completing 7 chains, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and wrap in the wire together to crochet. Work a single crochet first. Then make 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. This way, we complete one group of leaves. Repeat the same method for 2 more groups. Move on to the next stitch. Work a single crochet. Then make 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. The second group of leaves is now completed. For the third group, work a single crochet in next stitch. Continue with 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work a single crochet at the top here. Then make 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. This stitch is made into the same stitch as the previous one. Work a single crochet. Then move to the next stitch and repeat the pattern. Work a single crochet. 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue working single crochets and repeat the pattern. The rest is repetitive, so you can finish it on your own. After completing, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Cut the yarn directly, then wrap the wire around. Use the yarn to wrap it around. This completes a small leaf. Now let's move on to the medium leaf. Start with 9 chains. Insert the hook into the second chain from the end and add the wire. Work a single crochet first. Then make 5 chains. From the second chain, return and make 4 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue working a single crochet in the next stitch and repeat for another leaf. 5 chains, then from the second chain, return and make 4 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue to the next stitch and work a single crochet. Then make 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the next stitch, then another single crochet in the following stitch. Continue repeating with 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work a single crochet in the last stitch. Then make 4 chains. From the second chain, return and make 3 slip stitches. Work another single crochet in the same stitch. Only the tip of the corner has 2 single crochets worked in the same stitch. Continue to the next stitch. Repeat the single crochet. Then work on the leaves and complete the rest by yourself. Small leaves, medium leaves, large leaves. Finish this part here and crochet according to the quantity you need. The method for the large leaf is the same as these two, just with different stitch counts. Follow the chart instructions to complete it on your own. Take this wire and fold it neatly. I'm using 0.4 mm thick wire here. Start from the middle. Wrap it around once. Then pinch it tightly like this. After pinching it tightly, once it's secure, we continue wrapping like this. Keep wrapping around the loop until the wire is completely wrapped. After finishing, fold it in half. Fold it neatly around the circle like this. This way, the small curl of the moss stitch is completed. Now, take all the leaves that we've finished. Gather them all together. Then wrap the yarn around them. Apply a little glue to secure it in place. Then trim the bottom part slightly. Enlarge this hole a bit more. Next, thread the completed leaf through it. After threading, pull the yarn tight. Place it inside the flower pot. If it's too long, fold it slightly. Like this, then we proceed with sewing. We first fix the 4 corners, and after securing them, we sew together. For these stitches, we just need to sew them evenly. Here we use the whip stitch method. Then sew it together with the remaining half stitch from the 10th round. There's no special technique for this part, just complete it on your own. When we finish sewing and there's still a small hole left, stuff some cotton inside. After completing the sewing, tidy up the leaf and shape it as you like. Create the shape you want. And that's it, our potted plant is now completed. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.